Hello everyone. Today in this video I'm going to discuss the process of integrating MailChimp with Python. To get started, let me first tell you the client's requirement. The client wanted us to create auth to authorization where no third party should have access to the website server and the password. Also, they wanted us to use the access token to ensure the security of the authentication. Here is a list of technologies that we use for the integration process. Python 3.5 plus, Flask 1.1 plus, requests, JSON, web browser. Now let's move on to the benefits of MailChimp and Python integration. With the use of tokenization, you can give limited access to the user's data. It is easy to implement and provide strong authentication. In addition to the two-factor authentication, tokens can be revoked if necessary. It also gives the ability to send emails to the target audience and enable email client testing, which means sending messages to different addresses and opening them on various clients and devices. Talking about the solutions we have provided to our client, the first is to authenticate using auth2 on behalf of the user, get the code after successfully authenticating it, and then generate the access token accordingly. Let me now show you the demo of integrating MailChimp using Python by using some scripting libraries like Flask, requests, JSON, and libraries for redirecting the web browser. Let me explain the process. First, I created an account on MailChimp using the proper credentials of the user. Then, I created a connected app in it. And after successfully creating the connected app, I generated the client ID and client secret for getting the code using API. After that, I assigned the redirect URL for the connected app. After hitting the API, I get a response to the code of the auth token as mentioned in the code. To initiate auth access, you will need to send a MailChimp user to your authorization URL. User must be signed into MailChimp to grant your app access. After the user grants access, they will be redirected to the specified redirect URL. A code query parameter will be appended to the URL, which you will use to get an access token from MailChimp with the help of client ID, secret key, and code access token. And this token is valid for some amount of time. With the use of access token, I can access any details of the integrated account, and also we can save data in the database without saving the password, so it's secure for every user. So here is the API. After hitting the API, it took me to the login page of MailChimp, and using my credentials, I logged in. But before that, it hit 3 APIs to generate code, create access token, and get user data using access token. Basically, it is an auth2 integration. Now, it gives me the JSON data as a response, like I print username, login ID, login name, and whatever I want to print. And this data will save in the database without saving their password. That's all about the project. Are you looking to hire a certified integration partner that can help you with all your system integration needs, such as initial deployments, migrations, or ongoing project needs? Fuzzbolt is a leading full-stack development company that provides end-to-end system integration services across multiple technologies. We derive maximum business value with the best-in-class services spanning across system design to deployment. Get in touch with Fuzzbolt now.